Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Chilkey ND TKL, an 87-key tankless mechanical keyboard that's been making waves for its features and price point. Right out of the box, the aluminum build is impressive, giving it a solid, premium feel that you don't always find in this price range. It's available in black, which gives it a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that should fit well on any desk. The Chilkey ND TKL offers versatile connectivity with tri-mode functionality. You can connect via Bluetooth 5.3, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, or a USB-C cable. This makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, PCs, and even tablets. Switching between devices is seamless, making it a great option for those who use multiple devices throughout the day. For those who love to customize their keyboards, the Chilkey ND TKL is hot swappable, meaning you can easily change out the switches without soldering. This is a huge plus for enthusiasts who like to experiment with different switch types to find the perfect feel and sound. The keyboard comes with PBT keycaps, which are known for their durability and resistance to shine. They have a nice texture that feels great under the fingers. The Chilkey ND TKL is marketed towards a broad audience, from gamers to office workers. It's suitable for multimedia tasks, video editing, everyday use, programming, and even photo editing. The inclusion of hotkeys and media keys adds to its versatility, allowing you to quickly control your music, volume, and other functions without having to navigate away from your current task. The keyboard also features backlighting, which is always a nice touch, especially for gaming or working in low-light environments. The rechargeable battery is convenient, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. Overall, the Chilkey ND TKL seems to offer a lot of value for its price. The aluminum build, tri-mode connectivity, hot swappable switches, and PBT keycaps make it a compelling option for anyone looking for a versatile and customizable mechanical keyboard. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new keyboard that won't break the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.